Smoky baguette sliced with an amazing melted garlic and herb butter is the perfect side dish for any barbecue with friends. Join me in making barbecued baguette with garlic and herb butter. Ingredients: 2 baguettes around 100 grams, 1 garlic clove, 100 grams unsalted butter, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon marjoram, 1/3 teaspoon herbs de Provence, 1/3 teaspoon oregano, 1/3 teaspoon thyme, 1/3 teaspoon salt. Notes: you can replace unsalted butter with salted. If you decide to use salted butter, skip adding salt or just add it to taste. Kitchen accessories: bowl, knife, bread knife, chopping board, teaspoon, fork, garlic crusher, press. Directions: preparing the batter. Take the batter out of the fridge. Cube the batter. Transfer to a small bowl. Set the bowl aside. When the batter is at room temperature, it will make it easier to combine with the herbs and spices. Preparing the garlic and herb butter. Place the batter in a large bowl. Add the herbs and spices: paprika, marjoram, herb de Provence, oregano, and thyme. Add the salt. Peel the garlic. Crush the garlic into the bowl. Mash the batter with a fork and mix until all ingredients are combined. Preparing the baguette. Slice the baguette diagonally. Spread the batter onto the slices. Barbecue for around 5 minutes. To serve: serve with grilled sausages and mushrooms. You can find this and many other delicious recipes on my website Savory Bites and Tidbits. There you will also find handy recipe cards that you can download and print. They are designed to help you build your own personal cookbook. Simply scan the QR code or visit Savory Bites and Tidbits online to explore more. Thank you for this episode and see you in the next one. Smacznego, friends!